Hi, Assalamu alaikum. I hope everybody are well. Today I will show you how to scrape a university website. One of my Upwork clients said me to scrape university emails from various countries. It is University of Canada. Here about 24,000 data is available in this website. I have to scrape all of the emails from this website. And how I will do it, I will show you. Look at this. In this website, in the first page there is 10 of the employee name, and in the second page there will be another 10. The second page there is 11 to 20. There are about 24,738 datas. 38 this is the number of the email or employee name, and all of the data I will scrape by using Python. To scrape a website, firstly I have to say what type of website it is. Is it this website is it have any API, or it is not, it has not any API, or is it is a dynamic website, or it is a HTML website directly. Firstly I have to examine that it is a dynamic website or not. To do that I will copy this one of the data. After controlling copy this, I will inspect it, or I will click view source, page source, Control U. Then I will come here, click line wrap, then Control F. After Control F giving paste here, I have pasted the data, and there is the no indication of the data. By doing this, I will be sure that this website is a Java website. When we copy one of the data, suppose I am copy assistant officer, then I am giving Control C, and I am going the page source and copy Control V assistant, and the sound is found that there is no assistant of professor word in this website page source. This is the indication that this website is Java website. When the website is Java, then I cannot scrape this directly by using beautifulsoup. Then I can go for the API. To go for the API, I will just inspect it. After inspecting it, it will I will just tap network. Then network I will tap just fetch XHR. Then I will just a little bit zoom out. Okay, then here is the 10 employee data. I will just refresh it. When refresh it, I will find here various kind of request, and by observing the size I will recognize that it will this request is containing the data which I want. Okay, I have already scraped this website, so I have a concept, the 7.9 kb. This is the indication that it is containing about 10 people data. So I can click here, and the response I will observe the response. Okay, by showing the response, I can click here Control F. Then I will copy this Ali Khazegun. Okay, now I will Control V. Let's come here. This is the word is found here in title. That means this API will work, and in this API I will found all of my expected data. Okay, I can copy this I can copy this email. Then I will paste here. Yes, the emails is also here also. By using this API, I will easily scrape all the data. Okay, let's come here. Now I will go to the header, and it is the first page. For the first page, the header, I will observe the header so properly, and I want to see that there is any parameter may be found. Okay, come in payload. In the payload, look at there, the number of result is 10, and we know there is 10 people data, and the first result is 0. Okay, now I will go for second page. It is important. When I will go for second page, I want to see the data for second page. I don't know it is for second page or not. Okay, come for the response. No, it is not the second page. Come here, it may be the second page. Copy this Sarah launch, and there, come here and control F. Yes, Sarah launch is found. That means this is the second page API. This API is, this request is for second page. Then I will go for the payload, and let's see here, for first result is 10. That means it is the consequence. The first page will be 0, then the second page will be 10, and the third page will be 20, and the fourth page will be 30. In this consequence, the this parameter will change. Okay, now I will go here in the first page. Okay, maybe this is the first page. Yes, this is the first page, where I will go to the first page again, and I'll copy Ali Khajagan. Here I am copy this. Okay, this is found or not, just write it. Sorry, Ali Khajagan. Yes, it is found. That means this is the request for the first page. Okay, come in header, and then go to the payload, and for the first page it is 0. Okay, I will now copy. You can copy CURL CMD or CURL bash, both work. You will try both. Here CMD is also working, and copy CURL bash is also working. I am taking the CURL bash. You can take CMD, no problem. Okay, I am copying this. After copying this, I will open a I will open a app. It is named Postman. This is the Postman, and I will open a new request. This is the new request, where I will just copy that, paste that URL what I have copied from that website, and after copying this, I will just give here send. Yes, and this, look here, there I am finding the all response in JSON data. If I keep Control F and write here just the first name, the first name is found. That means all the JSON data is available by using the API. Okay, now my duty is to scrape the all 5,000 or 10,000 pages, not for one pages. In one pages I will found only 10 data. For this I will just observe there in the parameter, just is there any way to give the parameter? No way. Okay, come here, parameter, then come in authorization, then header, then body. This is the body. I have already observed this body, and I find there is a parameter which is changing, and by changing that parameter we can web scrape about 5,000 pages one time. Okay, come here. I have found this place. Look at here, the first result 0. First result 0. This is the targeted area. When we will give here 10, first result 10. When we will give here 10, if we give there 10, I have now gave here 10. Now the second page will become, I think this is the second page. This JSON data is the second page. If I paste here the name of Sarah launch, it should be come here in second page. Okay, I am observing the first page and second page. Where is the this is the place where we will the change. This is the first result and the number of result. This is 10 and 20. We will just change this into 20, 10 and give it again. Okay, come in the second page in the website. This is the second page of the website. This is one name, Sarah launch. It should be found, or this should be found here in this postman also. I think this is the control point here I should use, or it is, if it is not found, we'll give here the first result 10, number of results 10. This is the area which is changing. I will give here firstly 0, then send it. Okay, here we will find the first result of, yes, it is found the first result. That means that when we will give here 1 0, it will be second result. It should be second result, or if it is not, then we'll give here 20. Then if you go here, we will found there various name and in the title and the others what we wanted. There's this is the name Nicola Dewart. This is found. Okay, come here in Nicola Dewart in the website. It should be in third page. Yes, Nicola Dewart is there. That means my request is working. So I will copy this request. Just I will just click here, then this postman will give me the whole request in a Python code. This is the Python code given by the postman. You just install postman in your computer. It is free for all. Okay, I am just copy this whole things. Then I am going in my VS Code. Already I have pasted here, or if I paste pasted here, and I have already scraped the whole datas from there. This is the code I have pasted here. Then after pasting there, this it will give you this the code in response this till this. After this you have to write this code. I have write this code in try except method, and in there for pagination I have already done 1 to 5,000 pages, and this 10 is the difference of the all pages. It is the not going, this pages is not going from 1 2 3 4. because the parameter here is changing from 0 to 10, then 20, then 30, then 40. For this difference I have used here 10, and the URL is not the just URL of that website directly. It is not alberta.ca. Look at this, the URL is changed. The URL is, I have found this URL from the Postman app that give the whole code. After pasting the whole code, I have just then written the JSON data. This is the system to scrape JSON data. Okay, look at a while, come here, and just I want to show you that the JSON data here, you will see it, or this is the response JSON data, and this JSON data is just a dictionary. From this dictionary I have observed that the results is a one of the element of the dictionary, and that's results, this results value is also a dictionary. For this I have just written here result JSON, response.json, and from this JSON I have taken the results value from this dictionary, and from that the value of the results there is also dictionary, and the title is situated in the first element. For this I have written here 0. In Python, index 0 is the first element, index 1 is the second element. The first element I needed, that's why I written here 0, and after that I written title. In that means in the look at here, in the results there is a list, there is a third bracket, that means it is a list. In the list the first element is a dictionary, I got the first element, and from the first element I got the from the first element it is also a dictionary, and from that dictionary I got title. The explanation is when it is a list you have to scrape by using 0, 1, 2, 3, and when it will be a dictionary you have to write the name of the element. This is the system to scrape. So here I have scraped the name item. From name item I have scraped the first name by writing the code name item dot split split first bracket and then 0. It is explaining that the name will be splitting will this space, and the first Ali will be taken for my first name, and then the full name, and the full name is also used here. This full name is also yes, from -1 it will be counted from here. -1 will be counted from, it is -1, and the look at here split it is using a full name dictionary, name item, this is the name item, full is the name item, and if it you got a name null full item, it will come from the second from 0 to 1, from 0 to 1. So it is here will the full name our stop from Ali Khazinuddin. Okay, let's come here. It is the results, or the JSON's results we found. From the result we have to try to extract the full name. After extract the full name, if we will also give the exception, because as the I request is so complex I have seen, so I have used the exception, because if you use exception your code will not obstacled by any error, and it will continue with the error also. To always run your error you should use this try except method, and after try except method I have already scraped in the I have also use another library, that is pandas. Pandas is important to gather all data easily, This is the first column, first name, then the second column email, then the third column full name, then the fourth column position, and the fourth column the name of the university, and the fifth column is faculty. Okay, I have gathered about 5000 data. Now suppose I will give here Alberta final for YouTube. Now I will run this code. There is about 5000 page. Another thing is important here, the pagination is occurred in the payload, not occurred in the main URL. Main URL is free from the variable which is changing. Here the variable is changing in the payload, so I am using the for loop from 1 to 5000, and 10 is the difference of the pages. Now if I scrape 5000 here, it will get more time. I am just using 1 to 500. 500 mean 50 pages. 50 pages it will now scrape. Okay, I am going to run it, and I will give the code for you, no problem. Okay, I am going to run the whole code for you. I am just zooming in, and I will run it for 1 to 500. Look at here, here is not 500 pages, here is 50 pages, because the difference of every pages is 10, and the data here is, this is the variable which is changing, and the variable is first result I. So it is so important. And the headers, these headers and the payload and the URL all is created by the postman. Then after that I have created the following data, following code here. Okay, I am running it. Run code. Look at here, my code is working. It is just going on 71, 91, and this is showing the as I give this code for print fi and response, this is the cause, it is giving the response 200, and I is the consequence 1 2 3. Here is not 1 2 3, why here is 10 20 30 40 50, and some error is going on, but no problem, we will extract our data as we have used the try and accept method. When you will use try and accept method, in spite of error, you will get your data. Okay, our code is completed. Now we want to open our Excel file. The name of the Excel file is Alberta final youtube.xls. Okay, open it. I have extracted many times this website because here is 24,000 data. Now I have scraped only 500 data. There will be, it should be 500. Where is YouTube? This is the website Excel file what I have now scraped just now. Okay, I am opening it. It should be 500 data. Okay, just zooming in. This is the first name Ali. We have said this is the, okay, it is now opening from the here, and it should be about 500 data. I want to see the data, is it 500 or not? Yes, it is 501. That means 500 data we have found. It is really fine, and all the email is authentic email. Just using about 20 to 30 minutes, I have scraped all the emails from here. Here is 500, and I have scraped already about 5,000 emails from here. Here is my 5,000. Okay, no problem. This is the system. By using API, you can easily scrape any website which has API, which API is available. If the API is not available, then you have to use another method by using playwright. I will show that playwright system another way, no problem. For now, bye bye, assalamu alaikum.